Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Jammable AI step by step. This tool allows you to create AI song covers by converting vocals into different voice models. Let's get started. Jammable AI is an AI tool that lets you create song covers by replacing the original vocals with AI generated voices. It's commonly used to generate AI covers in different singing styles. Here's how to use it. Step 1. Open Jammable AI. First, go to the Jammable AI website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll see options for creating AI voice covers. Step 2. Choose a voice model. Browse the available voice models in the library. These models represent different voice styles that can sing your song. Select the voice model you want to use for the cover. Step 3. Upload your song. Next, upload the song file you want to convert. For best results, upload a track where the vocals are clear and separated from background noise. Step 4. Configure settings. Some versions allow you to adjust settings like pitch, vocal intensity, audio quality. Adjust these settings depending on how you want the voice to sound. Step 5. Generate the AI cover. Click the Generate button. Jammable AI will process the audio and replace the original vocals with the selected AI voice. This may take a few minutes depending on the file length. Step 6. Listen to the result. Once processing is complete, you can preview the AI generated cover. If the result isn't perfect, you can adjust settings and generate again. Step 7. Download the cover. When you are satisfied with the output, click Download to save the audio file to your device. You can now use the AI cover for personal projects or creative experiments. Important tip: for the best results, use songs where the vocals are clearly separated from the instrumental. This helps the AI produce a cleaner and more accurate voice conversion. And that's it. That's how you use Jammable AI step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical AI music tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.